Hi, my name is Troy Matson, and welcome to my level for online game design. In this level, the player is tasked with finding a metal ingot that is located in the shipping and receiving area on the far side of the compound. The player will find breadcrumbs in the initial start of the level, showing them what they should be looking for to lead them along the way throughout the remainder of the area. Once inside the beginning of the area, the player will find a rotting floor. They can either use their grapnel to make the path easier to process, or they can jump across the floor and clear it entirely. In the next area, the player will find more dynamic variables they can move around, and also hidden items that are going to be placed throughout the level should they decide to explore. Another breadcrumb will lead them towards the interact portions of the first points, which are a mechanical lift that leads players towards the top portions and bottom portions of the level from walkways above, and a laser tripwire floor that will be triggered if the player hits a laser and drop towards the floor, not allowing further progress until they restart. After making it across, the player will use a mechanical lift to drop down towards the floor portion of the level again. Once on the floor level, the player can proceed forward and find their path is again blocked. They will see hidden items behind debris that are only accessible if they take the correct path. Jumping across will leave them trapped, so they must use the mechanical lift to get towards the walkway above again. This will allow the player to use the other mechanical lift to get down and grab the other item, or proceed forward throughout the rest of the level. Using the next lift, the player can go back down towards the ground floor and will be presented with again another practice portion of the mechanic of the laser tripwire floor. The player must jump over the tripwire and not be detected, or the floor will drop, preventing further progress. The player will find breadcrumbs leading them towards the next area, where they will see that their path is yet again blocked. There is more dynamic objects they can move around with hidden items that they can find behind them, but they must use the mechanical lift again to get to the top level. Once on these walkways above, they will see another laser tripwire, but this is not a necessary floor. The players can make their way throughout the level should they fail, but if they make it across, they can find a hidden item. Triggering the floor will drop the floor down towards the floor level of the actual room, but they will see a breadcrumb leading them in the correct direction. More variables they can move around that they can find hidden items behind. And in the next area, the players will see a twist of the mechanic of the floor here, where they must not trigger the laser, otherwise the floor will stop moving. This will allow players to make it to the top if they are fast enough. If they're not, and it's too hard, there is a hidden area that will allow them to use another lift to get back towards the top as well. A lift on the far side will allow players to drop back down towards the floor portion of the level, where they will find another breadcrumb, and then be able to proceed forward. The walkway has another breadcrumb as well, leading them in the correct direction, into the last portion of the level where the metal ingot is located inside of a vehicle in the shipping and receiving yard. Upon grabbing it, the players will complete their objective. Thanks for watching.